Alright folks, I have a work order for a dryer that's not working, so I'm going to go ahead and troubleshoot it and see what's going on. Let's turn it on and see what happens. See, there's a window down here. You can pop this off on this model, and you can actually look in here to see if you see a flame. Shut that off. I'm gonna double check the gas valve, make sure it is on. Let's see what happens when I do that. Oh, there it is. See the flame? Oh yeah, so it was just the gas. Damn. See the flame in there? That was an easy fix. So that's how it's supposed to go. So it's supposed to line up with the hose and not the pipe. So your gas line that's connected to the dryer is supposed to line up with that. Well, that's how you see it. Easy fix. Good to go.